Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Find My Mobile on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on Find My Mobile on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and search for Find. Then you should see Find, click on it. Then you should see Samsung Find. Go ahead and click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Here, you should see notification when someone view your location. So I set this to every time. Click on Next. Then tap Allow. Tap Allow again. Then tap Allow while using the app. Now click on Go to Settings. Now it should say Samsung finding to access your location all the time. Then click on Go to Settings. Here, set this to Allow all the time and turn on Use Precise Location. Then hang on, you can click on the plus button to add people, or better still, if you click on this button, you want to turn on for better experience. Then your devices. So this is going to search for your device. Then after that, it should say your device on Find My application. So that is all you need to do when you want to turn on Find My on Samsung. And then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.